the past, the cleaning up of heavily contaminated UXO sites has been time-consuming, expensive, unsafe, and often incomplete. Rather than containing hundreds of UXOs and OEs, contain tens of thousands. Heavily contaminated sites include, but are not limited to, active ranges, impact areas, and OB/OD sites. Cleaning these sites by normal digging exploration has proved impractical and cost-prohibitive, so many of these sites have remained littered with potential hazards. That is, until now. Timberline Environmental Services is proud to introduce the solution to this problem in the patented RangMaster. Take a look. The RangMaster is a robust excavation unit with a capability of excavating an area of 12 feet in width and as much as 2 feet in depth in a single pass. As the soil is lifted into the unit, it is transported through our patented screening process, allowing the dirt to return to the site while capturing the UXO and OE scrap items. Screens can be adjusted to capture various size items to fit project needs, and the screens, like the rollers, paddles, and chains, are designed to be sacrificial components in the event of a detonation. All of these components are easily replaced right in the field. The RangMaster makes cleaning of heavily contaminated sites safe, fast, cost-effective, and complete. Safe. The RangMaster in its armored and remote configuration can be operated remotely from a distance of up to 6,000 feet, thus protecting all personnel involved in the operation. Fast. A single grid which would take a week or more to clear by normal conventional methods now can be cleared with the RangMaster in a matter of hours. Yes, hours. Cost-effective. Because the RangMaster replaces the need for large crews of personnel in the field, it generates cost savings in reduced wages, insurance, and lost time accidents. Complete. Not only is the RangMaster safer, faster, and more cost-effective, but it clearly does a better job. These geophysical image maps were generated from a test site specifically set up for demonstrating the RangMaster's capabilities. The first map shows a sanitized grid. The second map is of the same grid after having been seeded with 308 items, from range clutter to a 105mm round. The 105mm round was buried at a depth of 3 feet directly in the center of the grid. Note how the surface clutter has completely masked the signature of this item. Now watch how the RangMaster easily excavates and removes the simulated ordnance items. Finally, this third map shows the same grid following one single pass of the RangMaster, screening at a depth of only 12 inches. Almost 90% of the seeded items have been removed and deposited on the surface or an adjacent grid for the UXO team to investigate. The few items remaining in the grid, such as the 105mm at a depth of 3 feet, can now be easily identified and removed by the UXO team. Bottom line, the RangMaster is the ideal choice for safe, fast, cost-effective, and complete cleaning of heavily contaminated UXO sites. The RangMaster, yet another innovation from Timberline Environmental Services.